Today we are going to learn the problem set second of question number 8 to question number 11 in a quadratic equation. आज आपण वर्ग समीकरणामधील प्रश्न संच 2 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 या प्रश्नांच्या उत्तरांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Question number 8. Find m if m minus 12x square plus 2 in bracket m minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Solution of this question. Given quadratic equation is m minus 12x square plus 2 in bracket m minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0. This given quadratic equation comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a is equal to m minus 12, b is equal to 2 in bracket m minus 12 and c is equal to 2. Roots of given quadratic equation has real and equal. It is given. When roots of given quadratic equation has real and equal, then discriminant delta is equal to 0. Means therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substitute the value b, a and c in this equation. Therefore the value of b 2 in bracket m minus 12 bracket close bracket square minus 4 multiply the value of a m minus 12 multiply the value of c is a 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 square is a 4 m minus 12 bracket square minus 4 to the 8 multiply m minus 12 is equal to 0. Here in a both term contain the 4 multiple factors 4 and 8. M minus 12 bracket square and second term contain m minus 12. Therefore, 4 m minus 12 take common. We get 4 m minus 12 take common in a bracket m minus 12 minus 2 bracket close is equal to 0. Here 4 goes on RHS side, then we get divide 0 upon 4 is the 0. M minus 12 and second bracket contain m minus 12 minus 2 is the m minus 14. Therefore, in the first bracket m minus 12 multiply second bracket m minus 14 is equal to 0. Equating the bracket to 0, then we get m minus 12 is equal to 0 and m minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 12 goes on RHS side, then we get plus m is equal to 12, or m minus 14 goes on RHS side, then we get 14. Hence, m is equal to 12 and m is equal to 14, the values of m for given quadratic equation. This is the answer. Write down. Next problem. Question number 9. The sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5 and sum of their cube is 35. Find the equation. Meaning of this problem, the sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5. वर्ग समीकरणाच्या दोन मुळांची बेरीज 5 आहे and sum of their cube आणि त्यांच्या घनाची बेरीज 35 आहे. Find the equation. असे वर्ग समीकरण तयार करा. Solution of this equation. Let we have to consider alpha and beta are two roots of the given quadratic equation. Then Sum of two roots is a given in a problem. Alpha plus beta is equal to 5. And sum of their cube is 35. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35. उदाहरणामध्ये अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू 5 दिलेला आहे आणि अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू 35 दिलेला आहे. बाय युजिंग फॉर्म्युला alpha cube plus beta cube in a first bracket alpha plus beta and second bracket alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. By using this formula, substitute the value alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35. Therefore, 35 is equal to 5 multiply. Second bracket rearrange to add and subtract. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. This 5 multiply goes on LHS side, then you get divide. 35 upon 5 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. This red part, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, is the expansion of alpha plus beta bracket square. 5 7 the 35, 7 is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 3 alpha beta. Seven is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Substitute here 5 square minus 3 alpha beta. 5 square is a 25. 7 is equal to 25 minus 3 alpha beta. Minus 3 alpha beta goes on LHS side, then you get plus 7 plus 3 alpha beta is equal to 25 plus 7 goes on RHS side, then you get minus 3 alpha beta is equal to 25 minus 7, 3 alpha beta is equal to 18. 3 multiply alpha into beta goes on RHS side, then you get divide. Alpha into beta is equal to 18 upon 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Substitute the value alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha into beta is equal to 6. Then we get required quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the obtained required quadratic equation from given problem. Question number 10. Find the quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of the equation 2x square plus 2 in bracket p plus qx plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Meaning of this problem. असे वर्ग समीकरण तयार करा ज्या वर्ग समीकरणांच्या रूट्स आर स्क्वेअर ऑफ द सम ऑफ द रूट्स. दोन रूटच्या वर्गाची बेरीज, बेरजेचा वर्ग आणि त्या रूटच्या वजाबाकीचा वर्ग. तर असे समीकरण तयार करा. गिवन इक्वेशन 2x square plus 2 in bracket p plus qx plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. This is a given quadratic equation comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 in bracket p plus q and c is equal to p square plus q square. Find the quadratic equation. Hence, its roots we have to consider. Roots of given quadratic equation are m and n. असे वर्ग समीकरण तयार करायचं आहे ज्या वर्ग समीकरणाची रूट्स आपण m आणि n कन्सिडर करूया. From given condition, whose roots are, first roots is square of sum of the roots m plus n bracket square and square of difference of the roots. Second root is a m minus n bracket square. Sum of two roots, we have to consider capital S. Means given condition whose roots are m plus n bracket square and m minus n bracket square. Sum of these two roots capital S is equal to m plus n bracket square plus m minus n bracket square. M plus n square expansion m square plus 2mn plus n square plus expansion of m minus square m square minus 2mn plus n square. In this equation, plus 2mn and minus 2mn get 0. Hence, m square plus m square is equal to 2m square. Plus n square is a plus 2n square. Therefore, 2m square plus 2n square. To take common, hence sum of two roots is equal to 2 in bracket m square plus n square. We get equation number 1. Similarly, to find the product of two roots, product of the two roots, to multiply m plus n bracket square multiply m minus n bracket square, we get equation number 2. Hence, but we have to consider two roots m and n. Their sum is from given quadratic equation m plus n is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus sign. The value of b is a this 2 in bracket p plus q minus 2 in bracket p plus q upon 2 is equal to 2 to get cancel minus p plus q. Hence, product of two roots m multiply n, that is mn is equal to c upon a. The value of c is p square plus q square and a is a 2. From equation 1, sum of two roots, that is capital S is equal to 2 in bracket m square plus n square. This equation we can rearrange 2 in bracket m square plus n square to add and subtract of 2mn. Therefore, 2 in bracket m square plus n square plus 2mn minus 2mn. M square plus n square plus 2mn is the expansion of m plus n bracket square. Therefore, is equal to 2 in bracket m plus n bracket square minus 2mn. Substitute the value m plus n and m into n. M plus n is equal to minus p plus q and m into n is equal to p square plus q square upon 2. Therefore, 2 in bracket m plus n is the minus p plus q bracket square minus 2 multiply mn is the p square plus q square upon 2. This 2 to get cancel. This minus p plus q bracket square is the minus square is always plus. Hence, 2 in bracket p plus q bracket square minus p square plus q square. Here expansion of p plus q bracket square is equal to 2 in bracket p plus p square plus 2pq plus q square minus p square minus q square. Solving this bracket, then we get is equal to 2 in bracket p square plus 2pq plus q square minus p square minus q square. Here in this equation, p square minus p square get 0 plus q square minus q square get also 0. Means 2 multiply 2pq is equal to 4pq. This is the sum of two roots capital S is equal to 4pq. And sum of two roots is equal to 4pq. Again, to find the product of two roots is a capital P we have to consider. Here product m plus n bracket square multiply m minus n bracket square. Again here substitute the value m plus n is equal to minus p plus q bracket square. Multiply m minus n bracket square is a m square minus 2mn plus n square. To add and subtract of 2mn in this equation. Then we get p minus p plus q bracket square is a p plus q square in bracket m square plus 2mn plus n square minus 2mn and minus 2mn is the minus 4mn. P plus q bracket square in bracket m plus n square minus 4mn. M plus n square is equal to m square plus 2mn plus n square. Replaced by this m plus n bracket square minus 4mn. Substitute the value p plus q bracket square. Here p plus q bracket square minus 4 multiply the value of mn, p square plus q square upon 2. 2 2s are 4 is equal to p plus q bracket square in a bracket p plus q bracket square minus 2 multiply p square plus q square. Therefore, is equal to p plus q bracket square in a bracket expansion of p plus q bracket square is p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 2 multiply in a bracket minus 2p square minus plus is a minus 2q square. Solve this bracket, then we get p plus q bracket square in a second bracket p square minus 2p square is a minus p square plus 2pq minus plus q square minus 2q square is the minus q square. Hence, in this second bracket minus sign take common is equal to p plus q bracket square in a bracket minus take common in a bracket p square minus 2pq plus q square. Here this minus sign take outside of RHS side p plus q bracket square. This expansion is p minus q bracket square. A plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, then we get a square minus b square. By using this expansion formula is equal to minus p square minus q square bracket square. Therefore, sum of two roots which alpha plus beta is equal to 4pq and product of two roots which alpha into beta is equal to minus in bracket p square minus q square bracket square. Hence, the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Substitute the value alpha plus beta is the sum of roots 4pq. Alpha into beta is the product of two roots is a minus in bracket p square minus q square bracket square. Then we get x square minus 4pqx plus minus p square minus q square bracket square is equal to 0. Plus minus is the minus. Then required quadratic equation x square minus 4pqx minus in bracket p square minus q square bracket square is equal to 0. This is the answer of the question and hence a required quadratic equation we get. Question number 11. Mukund possesses 50 rupees more than Sagar possesses. The product of the amount they have is 15,000. Find the amount each one has. Meaning of this, मुकुंद जवळ सागर पेक्षा 50 रुपये जास्त आहेत आणि त्यांच्या रकमेचा गुणाकार 15,000 रुपये येतो तर प्रत्येकाजवळ किती रुपये आहेत. Let Sagar has X amount. Therefore, Mukund's amount is greater than 50 rupees, means X plus 50. From given condition, their product of amount is 15,000. Therefore, X multiply X plus 50 is equal to 15,000. X multiplied to X, X square plus X multiply 50, 50X is equal to 15,000. 15,000 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, X square plus 50X minus 50,000 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. To find the roots of this equation, X square of coefficient is a A1. Multiply constant minus 50,000 is equal to minus 50,000. X square of coefficient 1 and constant of minus 15,000 is equal to minus 50,000. To find the product factors of minus 50,000 such that product is a minus 15,000 and their difference is a plus 50. Here factors are minus 100 plus 150. Their sum or difference is minus 100 plus 150 is equal to plus 50, and their product 100 multiply minus 150 is equal to minus 15,000. Here plus 50x split into x square minus 100x plus 150x minus 15,000 is equal to 0. In the first group, x square minus 100x, take x common in bracket x minus 100, plus second group contain 150, take common in bracket 1 minus 100 is equal to 0. Here in a both term contain x minus 100 and remaining bracket contain x plus 150 is equal to 0. Product of two bracket is 0, equating 0 to every bracket. Then we get x minus 100 is equal to 0 and x plus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 100 and x is equal to minus 150. But rupees do not express in a negative sign. X not is equal to minus 150. Therefore, x is equal to 100. Sagar has 100 rupees and Mukund has 100 plus 50 is equal to 150 rupees. This is answer. Write down.